Are you looking for the best RC airplane to learn with? With your newfound interest in this hobby, I know you have been looking at all the different RC airplanes available. There are some awesome planes out there, including 3D planes, warbirds, and even jets. Full-scale pilots don't learn to fly with an F-16 fighter jet. Pilots generally learn to fly with a stable, more forgiving airplane, such as a Cessna. Flying RC airplanes is no different. To be successful, the best RC airplane to learn with must also be a stable and forgiving airplane. There are tons of high-quality beginner RC airplanes to learn with. Just because these airplanes are stable and forgiving doesn't mean they're not completely awesome to fly. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best RC plane for beginners 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the USHINING brand. USHINING RC aircraft with built-in Gyro system, automatically correct the route, 2.4 GHz remote control, stable connection. Suitable for beginners, great gift for kids brush. Our speed flight and short turning radius enable our RC plane flying indoor and outdoor. Enjoy your flying time anytime, anywhere. 65 to 164 feet controllable distance, 15 minutes flight time. The RC glider made of MPP eco-friendly material, lightweight and highly flexible, not easy to break. This remote control airplane is sent out in the form of parts, and the finished product needs to be assembled by the buyer. Children may install it with the assistance of adult. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the EagleStone brand. Simply press one button and pull the stick to control easily the airplane do aerobatic flying. Xpilot Stabilization System Ultra Stable Self-Stabilization of Gyro System. 3-level flight control assists, beginner level with full assist, intermediate with partial assist, expert for manual control, help beginners learn to fly step by step. 2.4 GHz radio control distance of 656 feet. The strong anti-interference capability allows to hold a small flight club party between you and your friends. The gearbox system provides more thrust and power to increase speed, and more efficient to save batteries power, allowing the plane to fly a long time, about 15 minutes for one battery, over 30 minutes for 2 batteries. This version includes everything needed to get the model started, only require the batteries for transmitter. It is fully assembly to get the plane take off within 1 minute out of box. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 3 in our top is from the Warplane brand. Equipped with landing gear and Gyro stabilization system, making the flight more stable and easy to control, very suitable for children and beginners. 2 modes of hand throw and taxi takeoff for start. F-22 Raptor RC plane carry with 4 GHz 2-channel remote controller, easy to operate. Even if you have never flown a RC aircraft before, you can fly it easily. The silicone head with wear resistant, worry-free of falling down or crash broken. Made by qualified waterproof EPP foam material and electronic components, the lightweight perfectly to ensure the flexibility and make sure the airplane could operate easily. Lightweight material. It can float up automatically after falling into the water without sinking. Be sure to choose an open area, whether below level 4 wind. For the first flight, please put the throttle to about 30% to 40%, adjust the throttle lightly. Please do not put the throttle to the maximum, so as to avoid the uncontrolled flight, in order to ensure your flight experience. Charging 50 minutes fully and flying 15 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Number 2 in our top is from the VOLANTEXRC brand. Xpilot Gyro Stabilizer Ultra Stable Self-Stabilization of Gyro System. Powerful overgrade motor system allows easy controlling to do aerobatic flying. It's a great remote control planes for beginners, adults. 3-level flight control assists beginner level with full assist intermediate with partial assist expert for manual control, help beginners learn to fly step by step. 2.4 GHz radio control distance of 656 feet. The strong anti-interference capability allows to hold a small flight club party between you and your friends. The gearbox system provides more thrust and power to increase speed, and more efficient to save batteries power, allowing the Trainstar RC plane to fly a long time, about 20 minutes. This version includes everything needed to get the model started, only requires the batteries for transmitter. It is fully assembly to get the plane take off within 1 minute out of box. Portable package to go with you everywhere. The number 1 product is part of the EagleStone brand. The remote control plane has a built-in self-stabilization of Gyro system which similar to altitude hold, coupled with a simple operation mode which makes easy to control and fly. All that one needs is to press the switch and pull the joystick to easily control the aerobatic features of the RC aircraft. In essence, beginners can fly the plane with the remote control without any hustle. Inarguably, this is a great gift for 8 to 12-year-old kids and beginners. The remote control can control the plane in 4 directions, up and down, left and right. It can be radio-controlled maximum distance of 492 feet, affording you the opportunity to enjoy an amazing flight experience. The flexibility of installing the components of the plane within a short period is worth mentioning. Just install the battery, airplane wheel, and airplane tail. The remote control airplane is made of EPP foam crash-resistant material. Its lightweight and durable foam structure will make it survive from some slight crashes. The fuselage length of this RC aircraft is 10.6 inches, wingspan 12.4 inches. Which remote control planes for beginners would you like to buy? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.